let's clarify some things about rules, no? Sa rules muna mismo ng Senate, nakalagay doon, simple majority can amend. Again, emphasize ko kasi binabaliktad ng ating kaibigan ni Senator Lacson. Sabi niya, okay lang pag-usapan yung rules, wag lang i-railroad. Wala pong railroading. Ang sinasabi po kasi niya, nasa committee yung rules. Ang plenary po, or yung plenaryo, ay mas powerful sa committees. Ang mga committees parang bowl po yan. Pwede mo ilagay dyan, tapos ipro-process sa bowl, or pwede mong tanggalin, ilipat sa bowl, or dalhin sa plenary. Ang rule po ng Senate, hindi po kailangan dumaan ng katulad po ng pinagdadaanan ng bills. Kasi ang bills po nasa Constitution may first, second, third reading. So we were not violating any rule, and in fact, May 11 pa nag-start yan. So nasa nagsasabing nagmamadali kami, May 11 pa yan eh. So sabi nila, Monday na lang. Bakit? Kasi po, iilan lang sila nandun during that Tuesday night. But the point is, we were ready to defend and talk about the proposal. Ang dami na po lumabas na hindi totoo. For example, for any reason, pwede mag-online. Hindi po. Ang nakalagay po dun sa proposal, justifiable reason. And the Senate President still has to consult the Majority Leader and Minority Leader case-per-case basis. So, hindi po to blanket na anytime for any reason, pwede ka na mag-online. O sabi pangalawa, pandemic lang kasi to bringing up. Hindi po. Panahon pa ni Senator Trillanes, kay Senator De Lima, bringing up na po to. Yung ibang nagkri-criticize po ngayon, tignan nyo po yung mismong sinulat nila at reasons nila. They were arguing from the point of view of representation. So representation is very important now. Why? Because it's all about control.